This demonstration is for the large scale or the final project of the mandalas. And for this particular project, this would be a larger scale paper. So anywhere from a 12 by 12 inch square, or in our case, it's a 14 by 14 inch square. So we're going to demonstrate this, or I'll demonstrate this, and it's very similar to our 6 by 6 practice. So I'm going to share my screen. All right, so when we are setting up our mandala for on a larger scale, one thing that you'll notice is you have to find the center again. And if you don't want to do all the measuring, you're going to need a ruler that is at least 20 inches long. And I highly doubt any of you have those. If you do, you can go ahead and use a ruler. If you're going to measure, you can also measure to find the center. I am going to do the quickest way, which is to take our drawing board that you all have at home, and I'm going to set it up so I can find the center. So all I do is go from corner to corner again, and our drawing board is fairly straight. I'm just going to make sure I take this edge here. So I'm going to start by going corner to corner. Make sure you take the time to do this because the setup part is so important. If you're not in the center, your entire project is going to look goofy. So what I'm doing is I'm going in. Okay, I've gone from corner to corner. I'm nice and straight. Really lightly make your line through. And you can see my really light line there. I'm going to turn my paper, make it easier. I don't have to worry about space. Go from corner to corner. And really, you can use anything that's straight that's going to get you all the way across the paper diagonally. So I'm going from corner to corner, and I'm really double checking. I don't want to have to do it twice. Lightly go across, don't push your pencil down super hard. Okay, so now I have that X through, and I'm going to go in now, and this would be important. Now, you know, or I know, that this is 14 inches across. So half of 14 is 7. So I'm going to mark at the 7 here. I'm going to mark at the 7 on this side. Basically going around and marking every single side right in the middle at 7. 7. And again, you don't need a ruler that's 14 inches long for this. You can just use your regular ruler. So I did that. Now what I need to do is go with my straight edge. Yes, this time I'm going to have to use my board again. And I'm going to go from top to bottom. So now we're going to go through the middle of our paper. Line it up. Light. And again, it should all intersect. If we did it correctly, it should all intersect at the middle of our paper. So there's my line through the middle there. And then I have to do one more line across this way. And again, we're all intersecting at the middle. So if you're at any way off, you might have to just adjust so you do go through the middle. Because all of our points when you get done making those 4 lines, if you look, I'm zooming in now, they all need to intersect at one point, right there. And I did adjust one of my lines a little bit, so I'm just going to erase the one. Okay, so now you have your, what we call like our snowflake start, where we have our 4, 2, 3, 4 lines intersecting through to the middle, and now we can take our compass and start doing our circles. So that's part 1, and I will share the video for part 2.